Yo, what is up, YouTube? Back in with another live cob. Week 2, spring summer 2020. As you can tell, just woke up. Literally just woke up, bro. Alarm wasn't going off, man. 7:50. Knackered, bro. Knackered. But as far as week 2 goes, in terms of stuff coming out, not a good week, bro. Honestly, not a good week. You got the Air Force's transparent lock, this underline, and a bunch of like other stuff. Maybe the fleece could go for something, but in terms of resale, doesn't seem like a good week. But good week for me because the number one item that I want this season is coming out, the City Lights puffer jacket, but it's pretty expensive, dude. $350. I wanted it, but for $350, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it for $350. We'll see. Depending on what it's like, we'll see, man. We'll see. But I'm gonna go for that. Maybe the fleece and pink could go for something. Who knows? I don't know, man. But in terms of what I'm actually gonna get, I'm gonna go for the puffer jacket, and then we'll go for the fleece after. Let me know in the comments down what you guys get. In terms of that, that's it for me, bro. I'm not gonna try to get this fucking lock, or the Air Forces or anything, or the Sens. The rayon too for the City Lights is fire, but I'm not gonna get both. I would like to get both. If somebody wants to send it to me, go. But yeah, I'm going for the fleece first because, like I said, man, there's a good possibility of it doing good, and if it doesn't do good, most likely gonna make my money back anyway. So we'll see. We'll see. Gonna go for the fleece and pink XL, and then yeah, puffer jacket after, bro. 10 seconds before. Game. Hopefully no lag this time. Alright, looks like this shit's fucked. Oh, it's already the new stuff. Fuck. Whoa, new disappears, bro. Let's go XL. Website is running smooth today. Oh, never mind. It was. What in the world? Bro, what the hell is wrong with the checkout? Bro, what the fuck? This website is tweaked, bro. Let me see if it's just that item. Okay, now it's gone. Damn, what the hell happened? Shit. I don't know, my brother got that shit actually now that I think about it, bro. Fuck. What the fuck is going on? Is it here or not? Is it still here or not, bro? Oh, it finally added. Shit, I don't even know what size I'm on. Fuck. Actually, no, I don't want to risk buying a random size. Let's fucking do this again. I don't think it's gonna work. Let's just go for it. Fuck it, random size. What the fuck? Come on, process, baby. Please wait. Fuck, I think I'm on a medium. Fuck it, whatever. What the fuck happened? Alright, I'm definitely not gonna get it. If it just says sold out right there, I'm not gonna get it. What the fuck? I got it? Got it, bro. I don't know, dude. This is some fucking weird ass shit going on here. I barely got it right now in a size medium. I don't even know what was going on with the website right there. What is this shit? What is this fucking brackets? Fuck, dude. Fucking brackets bullshit. Brackets of death or what? Somebody asked for a rundown of all the items that I got last time, so here it is, man. Puffer jacket, size medium, in black. The only item that I wanted this season, really, in terms of clothing. This is the number one item that I said I wanted. We'll see if I end up keeping it or not. If I like it in person, online it looks sick, but for $400, I don't know. We'll have to see, man. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, let me know down below if you guys went for anything, what you guys got, if in terms of whatever. This week was pretty shit in terms of resale and making money, so I know that's what most of you guys are here for, so we'll have to see, man. We'll have to see. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.